Greetings everyone. Today is Friday, the 6th of February 2026. Let's recap on the news highlights for the IFP. The IFP President, Honorable Velenkosini Hlabisa, in his capacity as the Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, engaged with the SABC News on the sidelines of the F.W. de Klerk Foundation Conference, where he addressed matters relating to the 2026 local government elections, including developments around the coalition bill, as well as the challenges confronting municipalities in fulfilling their constitutional mandate.
In terms of the coalitions bill, the proposal, as I said, that this bill wants to regulate the coalition's government because coalitions have come to stay.
On Sunday, Bulawayo will be joined by IFP leadership at the party's Siangloba by-election rally in Ward 13 of the Umzumbe local municipality, where he will deliver a keynote address. Honorable Hlabisa will be in Umzumbe to mobilize residents and encourage a strong voter turnout in support of the IFP ahead of the by-election scheduled for Wednesday, 11 February 2026. The party has nominated Bakanyile Shozi as its candidate. IFP chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal, in his capacity as KZN Premier, Honorable Thamsanqa Ntuli, together with the IFP National Deputy Chairperson and MEC for Agriculture and Rural Development, Honorable Thembeni Kamadlopha Mthethwa, briefed members of the media on the latest developments regarding foot and mouth disease in the province. IFP Youth Brigade National Chairperson and Member of Parliament, Honorable Sanele Zondo, visited Nkandla matriculants who are preparing to enter universities for the first time. Honorable Zondo also served as a guest speaker at the Mayoral Excellence Awards hosted by local municipality under the leadership of IFP Mayor Councillor Nonhlanhla Nzuza. IFP led Umlalazi local municipality under the leadership of Mayor Councillor Queen Xulu in partnership with Tronox Company are in a campaign to build houses for the needy. Still on our municipalities, the mayor of the IFP-led Zululand District Municipality, Councillor Michael Mkhonyovu Khumalo, has announced the reinstatement of the Zululand Ultra Marathon. And finally, are you ready for the upcoming local government elections? If you don't register, you cannot vote. If you don't vote, you are giving up a very important way of making your voice heard. Until next time, Sethembe sisebenzela wena.